Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Today we are going to start practice set 4.2 of chapter financial planning. Let's see example number first of practice set 4.2. Chetana store paid total GST of rupees 1,500,000 at the time of purchase. At the time of purchase. Now here one specific word is for that amount or GST paid at the time of purchase, tax paid at the time of purchase, that is called ITC, means input tax credit. Input tax credit, ITC, that is tax paid at the time of purchase. Okay, and that is 1,500,000. Therefore here ITC is equal to tax paid at the time of purchase, and this tax is given. He paid tax 1,500,000. Therefore ITC is equal to 1,500,000. After that, and collected rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale. Tax collected at the time of sale means output tax, that is called output tax. Output tax is tax collected at the time of sale. Tax collected at the time of sale, that is called output tax. Did you understand? ITC means tax paid at the time of purchase, output tax means tax collected at the time of sale, and that is 1,22,500. Find GST payable by Chetna stores. We have to find GST payable by Chetna store. Therefore GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. It is very easy. Both the values we know. Output tax is 1,22,500 minus ITC is 1,500,000. Now do subtraction here. Here if we subtract here is equal to 1,22,500 minus 1,500,000, we get 22,000 rupees. That is the GST payable by Chetna stores. Now let's see example number 2. This example is also same. Nazma is a proprietor of film registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase at the time of purchase. At the time of purchase means that is ITC. So I write here ITC is equal to rupees. Now I write directly 12,500. Now you understood. ITC means tax paid at the time of purchase, and collected at the time of here, that is the tax collected at the time of sale, means that is output tax. Output tax is equal to rupees 14,750. that is output tax. What is the amount of ITC? ITC means here this only, we wrote already first question answer. What is amount of ITC? Amount of ITC we will write again. Amount of ITC to be claimed is equal to rupees 12,500. Okay. What is the amount of GST payable? Therefore amount of GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. Output tax is 14,750 minus 12,500. Now do subtraction. 200 here 2200. Okay, therefore last answer, the amount of GST payable, the amount of GST payable is rupees 2200. Dear friends, let's see example number 3. Here are two stages of trading. First, at Amir Enterprise, Amir Enterprise purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3800, means at the time of purchase, that is ITC. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected GST of rupees 4100 at the time of sale, that is output tax. Okay, this is first stage. Then let's start from first stage for Amir Enterprise. For Amir Enterprise, ITC means tax paid at the time of purchase. At the time of purchase, he paid rupees 3800. Then he sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected. This is the tax paid at the tax collected at the time of sale. This is output tax. Output tax is equal to rupees 4100, and we have to find amount of GST payable at every stage. Now GST payable by Amir Enterprise, therefore GST payable by Amir Enterprise is equal to output tax minus ITC. Output tax is 4100 minus 3800 is equal to, now subtract it, 300. Rupees 300 is GST payable by Amir Enterprise. Okay, hence find payable CGST as GST. Now CGST as GST both equal, and that is half of GST, half of 300. Now GST we got 300, therefore now amount we want, amount of CGST is equal to SGST is equal to GST upon 2. Now here GST is 300 is equal to 300 upon 2 is equal to rupees 150. Rupees 150 is the amount of CGST and SGST. This is for first trading, first stage, Amir Enterprise. Now second trading is for Akbari Brothers. For Akbari Brothers. Now Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of rupees 4500. Now Mayank Food Corner purchased from Akbari Brothers, it means that the tax or the price at which he purchased, now here you see he sold 4100. 4100 is output tax for Amir Enterprise, but this amount is ITC for Akbari Brothers. Means here ITC for Akbari Brothers is rupees 4100, and he paid tax at the time of sale. Means this is output tax. Output tax is rupees 4500. Therefore GST payable by Akbari Brothers is equal to output tax minus ITC. Now output tax for Akbari Brothers is 4500 minus ITC is 4100 is equal to rupees 400, and we want amount of SGST CGST here. Therefore amount of yes GST is equal to C GST is equal to 400 upon 2 is equal to rupees 200. This is amount of CGST is equal to SGST but for Akbari brothers. Dear friends, let's see example number 4 now. Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customers for 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5%. Means here amount is not given, we have to find the amount of GST payable at 5%. Now here 24,500 on that 5% means ITC. Okay, therefore here ITC is equal to 5% of 24,500 because that is purchased. Let's find ITC. 5 upon 100 multiplied by 24,500. 2 zeros are cancelled is equal to rupees. Now multiply. 5 5s are 25. 2 carried over. 5 4s are 20, 22. 2 carried over. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 1,225 is ITC. Now output tax. Output tax is equal to 5% and this is sell. 5% of 26,500. This is sold to the local customer. This is sell. 5% 5 upon 100 into 26,500. 2 zeros cancel again here is equal to rupees. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30, 32. 3, 10, 13. Output tax is equal to 1,325. Now what is to find here? Find CGST, UTGST instead of SGST is UT because Union Territory, that is Chandigarh, but that is like GST only, that is not different. That is half of GST. Now let's find GST first and then half of that is CGST and UTGST. Now here we got both the taxes, ITC and output tax. Therefore GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. Output tax is 1,325 minus ITC is 1,225 is equal to rupees. Now subtract here 0 0 1 rupees 100 rupees is GST payable. Therefore amount of CGST is equal to UTGST, Union Territory, UTGST is equal to 100 upon 2 is equal to rupees 50 each. CGST 50 and UTGST 50. This is example number 5. This example is same to that of the fourth example. Here manufacturers beauty products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth rupees 6,000. 18%. This is ITC and sold to customer for rupees 10,000. This is output tax percent in percent. Now let's find ITC first. ITC is equal to 18% of 6,000. 18 upon 100 into 6,000 is equal to, here 2 zeros cancelled, multiplied 18 0 0. 18 6 are 108. This is ITC. Now let's find output tax. Output tax is equal to 18% of 10,000. 18 upon 100 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to, 2 zeros cancel, 18 ones are 18, 2 zeros. This is output tax. Now let's find GST. What are amounts of CGST, SGST? Now before that, find out GST payable. GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. Output tax 1800 minus 1080. Do subtraction. Now here 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 18 minus 11, 7, 720. This is GST payable. Now CGST, SGST is shown in tax invoice. In tax invoice, that will be half of this. Now let's draw a table for this. After that, tax invoice, here this is tax invoice. Now tax invoice will be like this: beauty products, purchase, GST, CGST, SGST, sale and total. Now purchase means ITC is here. This is GST at purchase 1080. Sale at the time of sale is this 720. Total will be 18. Total tax 1800. Okay. Now these are half of this 540 and 540 here. Half of this 360 here and 360 here. If we add it, we get half of this 900 and here 900. In this way, that will be issue on tax invoice.